Knurling is a process that involves rolling a pattern of straight, angled or crossed lines into the part surface. Knurling allows hands or fingers to get a better grip on the knurled object than would be provided by the original smooth surface. Mount the knurling tool into the tool post and secure. Make sure the knurling tool is touching the surface of the material you wish to imprint. Now the gear speed needs to be on the slowest setting, which in this instance is yellow 1A. So as you're turning the dials, make sure you get the chuck key, rock the spindle back and forward until you securely get those dials into position. So that's yellow 1 and A for knurling. Make sure your coolant hose is running freely over your knurling wheels and gently run the tool along the edge of your material, steadily turning the carriage hand wheel.